The 1950s, an era of classic black and white movies, the iconic Marilyn Monroe and that unforgettable music. You've probably also seen all these 1950s versions of famous contemporary music. They're so cool. But how do they do it? Well, you're in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a 1950s version of any song you want. For example, this one. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. I will show you how to do it for free and with AI. And at the end of the video, I will show you the mystery song in full length. That is going to be amazing. Are you excited? Well, let's go. To create all the songs we are going to use Suno. Suno is an online AI music generator. It is quite impressive how it has advanced in the last couple of months. So let's go there and create a free account. I am going to connect my Google account. Here we can see all the music that has been created by other people using Suno. But we will now go to Create. Here we can create a song by giving it a simple description. But we will go and click on Custom. This way we can add the lyrics, style of music and title. So now let's go and grab the lyrics of the song we want to transform into a 1950s version. I will do this lyrics from a song from Jay-Z and Kanye West. Just copy the lyrics and paste it into the lyrics box from Suno. Now we need to enter a description for the style of music. I've made a list here of 1950s style music promos that I also will include in the description. Let's take this one for example and paste it right there. Now let's add a title and then press Create. Oh no guys, Suno doesn't accept lyrics with swear words, etc. So instead of making the lyrics clean ourselves, let's Google the censored lyrics and change it real quick. And press Create. Look at that. On the right, we have two versions of our song being generated. The generation will be less than a minute, and then we can already listen to it.
We'll skate to one song and one song only. Ball so hard, I'm gonna wanna find me. Ball so hard, I'm gonna wanna find me. So hard, I'm gonna wanna find me.
Okay, wow, that sounds amazing. To download it, click on the three dots, go to download and then wait till the song is fully downloadable. And then click on audio to download the audio. And now let's listen to the other version.
We're gonna skate to one song only. Ball so hard, mother. So I ball so hard, wanna find me.
That isn't bad either, but I like the other one more. To create a YouTube video out of this, we need a 1950s style image of Jay-Z and Kanye West. We could do this in Photoshop, but we are going to let AI do that for us. I am going to use MidJourney for this. There are many free alternatives out there. Just watch my video on that topic if you are curious. But since I have MidJourney, I will generate the images there. That looks sick. With the music and image in hand, let's create a video out of it. We are going to use CapCut. It is free and easy to use. Create a new project and drop the audio and image we created in there. Now resize the image to match the audio. Let's also go to text and add the song title and artist's name. Okay, great. Now we can go to File and export the video. Before I am going to show you how I created the mystery song, let's create a 1950s version of Eminem's Lose Yourself. So let's search for the censored lyrics of Lose Yourself and then copy it. Now go back to Suno, change the lyrics, and also change the title. And then press Create, and that's it. Two different 1950s versions of Eminem's Lose Yourself are being generated for us. Here they are.
You have a dream. I'm a master. I'm very what that's what you wear.
Not bad. And this one.
Look, you had one shot or one opportunity. You had one chance to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. All you capture it or just let it slip. Take or leave.
Nice one. Now just generate a 1950s style image of Eminem and put them together in CapCut to get this.
Look, you had one shot or one opportunity. You had one chance to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. All you capture it or just let it slip.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, body sweating heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, vomit on clothes, mom food. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready. You nerve.
Now it's time for the mystery song. And guess what it is? Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. So just change the lyrics. Generate the music. Generate the image. And now put them together in CapCut. And for him, I also added these retro effects to the video to make it look epic. Here is the end result.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it, say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, don't tell me you're too blind to see. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it, to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, don't tell me you're too blind to see. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it, to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
I really love the ending of the song. AI has come really far. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Go ahead and create amazing different versions of famous songs and go viral. Let me know what you think of all the music that has been generated in this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. And, by the way, here is a cookie for you. Bye.